at you again with another shoe review. Let's go. We got the twos right here.
Bruh.
No.
We got to back them up a little bit because it's so bright. Ones.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. So these are Jordan 1s, UNC maybe? I don't know if y'all can see that.
I don't remember.
It is UNC, dude.
It is? I thought it was I thought it was a different, I thought it was called something different.
All right, tell them what you like about this shoe, kiddo.
Well, first, I liked how we got these in LA, and I liked how I got to pick different shoelaces.
Okay. And they laced them up for. Where you get these at?
Cool
Kids.
I got these at Soul's Arts.
Oh, so it's Arts.
Soul Arts.
Whatever. All right, go tell them what about the shoe. What you like? What else you like about this shoe?
I like it because I like the blue. Like, I like how it's like.
See it.
It's like.
It's too bright.
It's like, I don't know. It's like soft kind of blue, but it's like a mix with different colors blue.
Okay. And what else you like about this shoe?
I like the Air Jordan.
You got to come in the camera, baby.
I like how the Air Jordan is.
Right here.
It's like that all the time.
Okay. What else you like about this shoe?
I like the gray check mark.
She like the gray check mark. Okay.
And then that's it.
Look, I'm gonna tell you what. I bought we got the white and black ones, like the Oreo kind, like this. I never bought a pair. Well, I do got one pair of Jordans. I never wore them, but this pair right here, because I always wear Crocs, is very comfortable. I wore them yesterday. I'm serious. I got a wide foot, so when I put my foot in these, they're not narrow. They're very comfortable. What else you like about them?
I like them a lot. I mean, I don't feel.
She got a wide foot too.
I feel like I don't know the difference because I always wore these. But the thing I don't like about them is they're creased really easily.
This one, I don't know why this one is. Anybody know how to get rid of creases, bro?
I don't think you can.
This one right here creased up real bad.
And it's creased where my foot goes out on my flat foot.
Right here on the back side. So 1 to 10, what do you rate these? This was actually one of my favorite shoes that you had.
I rate them a 10.
These are 10?
Yeah.
Over your Thunders?
Those are off the charts.
Oh my God. So either you had a choice between these ones and the fours. Was the fours, right? Thunders. Which one would you pick?
Thunders. Those are my favorite shoes.
You crazy. All right, I need help, man. What can I buy to clean suede? This is suede. Last time she has the same ones on her 4 UNCs. 4 retros, right?
University blue.
And I wiped it so bad with OxyClean, it faded it, man. It really messed the shoe up. So,
you know
what can I do to clean this? Anybody knows, put that in the comment.
You know another 4s that I want?
What?
It's called Lightning.
Which one is that?
They're yellow.
Man, them things are ugly. All yellow,
not,
and the all black ones are expensive.
Those
are
black
like
cats.
Yeah, but they all black and they're like $700.
Black horses. That's what it reminds me of.
I'll put it up here. The black cats. All right. So what else? What's the next shoe that you want to try to get?
Probably Yeezys.
Yeezys, but what about them
Vapors?
Vapor Blues.
I like those.
So the Vapor Blues, I'm gonna try to put that up here too, so y'all can see the kind of shoe she wants next. So these shoes retail when we first got them, they was probably what, $450. It was $450, but you can get these. You can cop these for $300
we got these
on
in LA.
StockX. Yeah, it might have been $450, $550.
Say what?
One of them, but you can cop this right now for I think $300 on StockX. Go all of them. So definitely check it out. It's another shoe company, but go on, take them out, boo boo. So this is a 10. We give us a 10. I give it a 10 too. I love this guy.
Make sure you like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell button so
you won't miss out on our future videos. Until the next video, peace.